Okay, so my bike needs a new set of tires, not a new set, a new rear tire. So I'm here at Indy Motard at Whitefield. Now let's get some new shoes for my bike. Yeah, as you can see, the tires are completely bald now. The center part is completely gone, although some of the tread is left on the sides. Yeah, this definitely needs a replacement at this point. Okay, so the wheel is being taken out now. ये टायर गया है ना पूरा थ्रेड वेड साफ हो गया पूरा बीच में. Okay, the next step is to break the tire bead, and this machine does it quite easily. This is where the tire is taken off the rim. First, the rim is lubricated with a bit of soapy water, and it's fixed onto this contraption here. Slowly you pry out the rim and then just rotate it, which basically pulls out the tire from one end. Repeat the same process for the other side as well. It completely separates the tire and the rim. And the tire is out. यहाँ क्या देख रहे हैं सर? अच्छा, किस तरफ है? When you're fitting a new tire, it's very important to put it the right way. You will have an arrow showing you the direction of rotation. One should be very vigilant in actually fitting the tire in the correct direction. Otherwise, that will affect the bike stability to a great extent. The same process is repeated. To put the tire back on the rim, soapy water is applied on the bead. One part is just pushed and fitted against the rim, and the whole rim is rotated, applying pressure on both sides so that the whole tire kind of fits in. Put your back into it, man. Gopal. He's putting his entire weight into it. अरे भाई, क्रॉस मार के करो. नीचे रख कर चलो. हैवी और छोड़ो, हां, हाथ से पकड़ो. careful with your fingers, man. Don't keep it in the...
And it's turning, dude. I don't know how he wants me to hold it.
I can do it. Success is last. Now the gunshots. The sound is so satisfying. Huh? Smell of fresh rubber.
Sometimes you get only one.
Oh yeah. One would have already sat properly on the rims. The other one would pop. I wanted to do a tire burn with that one, but गाली देते हैं लोग.
No, you can try. I mean, on this road, on the other end of the road,
Okay.
you can.
But it's already taken out now. Next time maybe. Yeah. That's the fun part, no?
Here कितना? हाँ? Here कितना?
I think इसका 41 है शायद. आप 38 तक देखिए.
38 रखता हूँ.
38 ही. 41 कंपनी बोलता है पर वो बहुत हार्ड राइड हो जाता है यार. मतलब यहाँ पर देखिए टायर में लिखा हुआ है 41 PSI. थोड़ा मेरे को हार्ड लगता है वो 41. मतलब वो बम्पी ज़्यादा लगता है रोड.
Maybe you adjusted your rear suspension.
सर बैलेंसिंग भी करना है सर.
बैलेंसिंग भी करना है.
हाँ.
कौन कर रहा है?
Okay, so the wheel is being fitted to the wheel balancing machine, and let's see how it's done. There are some existing weights. Do you want to take them out first?
Yeah. No, we'll check where the balance is first. And then remove it accordingly. These are the weights that are being used to balance the wheel. And these are of 5 grams and 10 grams, right? Each. This is more complicated than I imagined. Oh my god. Wow, job well done. Thank you so much. Welcome. So wheel is properly balanced now. It's being refitted onto the axle. Okay. All right.
Chain slack is tested. It looks to be perfect. Time for a short test ride by the service guys, and I'll probably do that once they are okay with their work. Okay, the bike feels amazing with the new tire. Initially, with the previous tire, I used to experience some kind of fishtailing on gravel and on bad surfaces, but this one it definitely feels way better. Can't wait to take it out for my next trip. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about Timsun Tyres or anything in general about bikes, feel free to comment in the comment box, and I'll try my best to answer them. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, and like the video if you like the content, and share it with your friends. Might help someone. Till next time, see ya.